today's video we are going to see design a DFA or sigma is equal to a comma b, where all string containing first example ends with AB, either AB or BA. Second one either ends with AA, BB, or third one neither AA or BB as a substring. Okay, now we'll start with first example. All strings either ends with AB or BA. So as we know, we have to write the language for this. Okay, so all string ends with AB, that means either AB is present or BA is present in that string. Okay, then AAB is possible, BAB is possible, ABA is possible. So like this. So we can accept this string with the example of this DFA. Now minimum is AB and BA. So here we can take initial state. This is our initial state Q0. Okay. Now if my strings ends with AB, so how many states required? Total 3 states requires to represent AB string. So we'll take 3 states. Okay. So all strings ends with AB, that means we can show this as a final state. Same way, if my strings ends with BA, so here we are going to take one more line where we are going to show 3 states. From this side or from this path we can accept BA, which are the those strings which are ends with BA. Okay, so ends with AB, ends with BA. Now we will find out the transitions for every states. Now from Q0, if string starts with AB, if string starts with BA. So Q0, from Q0, A and B transition already done. Okay, now we'll give the name Q2, Q1, Q3 and Q4. Okay, now from Q1, if string is like this one, ABA, string is ABA. So how we can write this one? ABA. So ABA, in this way we can write. If strings is BAB, this is also possible. B starting with BA but ends with AB. So BA but ends with AB. So BAB, here we can show like this. Means from Q3 and Q4 we can show this as A transition and B transition for Q1. Okay, if string is BAB, we show. Now from Q1, B transition is already done. So from this Q1, if there is a transition A and later on B, if there is a transition, here we can show transition on A as a self loop, because this strings ends with AB. So we can take self loop over here. AAAB. Okay. Same for this, from Q2 we can show BBBBA like this. So we can take A transition from Q1 and from Q2 B transition. Okay. So here from Q1 and Q2 both transition done. Now what about this Q3 and Q4? We already shown A transition from Q3 and from Q4 B transition. Now we have to show A transition from Q4. What will happen if, let us consider BA AB, this is my string BA AB, this is also possible, started with BA but ends with AB. So BA, here we can show AB. Same AB BA, AB BA, AB, and here we can show BA, AB BA. So in this way we can show the transition from Q3 and Q4 for A and B. So this is the DFA for all strings ends with either AB or. Now show transition diagram, acceptance and rejection for this. Now next example we are going to see either all strings either ends with AA or BB. So same logic we are going to apply here. So this will be our initial state. Okay, Q0. So all string either ends with AA. So minimum string is AA. BB, ABB, BAA, AB, AB, B, like this. So these are the possible strings which comes under this DFA. Okay. So this language. Now Q0. All strings ends with either AA. So we'll take for AA string how many states required? 3 states. So this will be a final state. All strings ends with BB. This is also possible. So here we are going to take one more path. Over there we are going to show BB transition. Okay, BB path. So here we will give the name for every state, Q3 and Q4. Okay, now from Q0A as well as B transition done. Now we have to show remaining transition. All strings A either ends with AA or ends with BB. So here put this B transition from this one. If string is ABB, ABB, so how we can show? A, B, B. Same from Q2, B, B, A, A. So this is also possible. So here A transition and B transition from Q1 and Q2, in this way we can show. Okay. What about for Q3? All strings ends with AA or BB. So here directly we can accept AA as a self loop. Here AA as a self loop and here BB as a self loop. Okay. B, 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 B. This is also possible. A, this is also possible. Now we have to show A transition for this and B transition for this. How we can show? If let us consider A transition, how we can show? From BB, A, this is possible. BB, A. This is also ends with AA. Same way AA and if last characters are BB. So in this way we can show AA, B, B. Again B, 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 B. So in this way we can accept the strings which are ends with either AA or BB. Now we'll take one example. AB, AB, A, B, B, A, B, A. Okay. So here AB, then here A, then again B. Where is the B transition from this one? B, then A, again B, then A. So we are reaching to Q3. Okay, so this is accepted using this finite automata. So in this way, let us consider one more. A, B, which is rejected. So in this way, we can show acceptance and rejection of a string with the help of transition state. Okay, transitions. So this is the answer of second DFA. We will solve third example. Third example, all strings neither have substring AA or BB. That means what? Your string will not have loop. Means consecutive AA and BB is not possible. Your string is either in this form AB or BA like this. Only A is possible, only B is possible, or epsilon is also possible. Means in this way you have to show your DFA. So here we will take one initial state. This is my initial state. So neither AA or BB as a substring. So here I am going to show one more transition on A and here one more transition on B, and here these are the states. Okay, so we'll give the names Q0, Q1 and Q2. So as per my language, single A is acceptable, single B is acceptable. So single A and single B is acceptable. So we can make this as a final state. Okay, this as a final state. Now here neither accept AA or BB means it can accept epsilon. So this also possible, we can make this as a final state. Okay. Now here my string will be in this form only. AB, AB or BA like this only. We cannot take A letter on this one. So no consecutive AA and BB. So what will happen? If B transition, from this B A transition, there won't be any self loop in this example. Self loop will be not possible. So AB BA. Okay, so in this way we can show the transitions. Now what about A transition from Q1 AA? So we are going to take one dead state. For what purpose we are going to take dead state? If there is a string AABA like this AA, so we have to reject it because no consecutive AA possible. So from Q1 A transition we are going to show to dead state. Same way from Q2 we are going to show B transition to dead state. So this is our dead state, and here we are going to show also transition AB for Q5. Okay, so this is our final DFA for this third example. Okay, this is our third example. So this is final AB. You can observe here there is no self loop because we cannot accept consecutive same alphabet or same alphabet. So this is our final answer. Let us consider one example, AB, AB, AB. So AB, AB, AB like this. Okay. So this is what. If you don't want this Q0 as a final state, that is also correct. Means if epsilon is not possible, then Q0 don't make as a final state. Only Q1 and Q2 will be the final state.
Video, click on like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Click on bell button to get notification of new videos. Thank you.